Do you often feel too tired for sex after a long day at work? It's easy to let stress and fatigue take over and kill your libido. But it doesn't have to be this way. Here are some tips to help you unlock your libido and spice up your sex life. First, schedule your sex life. Make it a priority and set aside time for intimacy. Go out on dates with your partner and enjoy each other's company. Second, take care of your physical health. Indulge in regular exercise and watch what you eat. A diet high in processed foods and sugar can inhibit libido. Instead, eat a diet high in fruit, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. This will help you feel better overall and boost your sexual energy. Third, try new things in the bedroom. Experiment with different positions, toys, and role-playing scenarios. Don't be afraid to communicate your desires and fantasies to your partner. Fourth, make sure you are getting enough sleep. Lack of sleep can lead to decreased libido and energy. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night. For women, 8 to 9 hours of sleep. And finally, manage your stress levels. Practice relaxation techniques like meditation, deep breathing, and yoga. Take breaks from work and unplug from technology. By implementing these tips into your busy lifestyle, you can give your libido the boost it needs and improve your sex life. So don't let work and stress get in the way of your pleasure. Thanks for watching this video, and if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips.